Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two things. Your device and your area both support Geo 5G because you need radio compatibility and coverage. Once confirmed, backup network settings and note which SIM slot Geo uses so you can restore if needed. Enable developer options now if the phone requires advanced toggles. Go to About Phone and tap Build number 7 times. These are the first decisive steps to avoid data loss and to unlock the menus where you change network mode. You now access the menu that lets you force 5G-only mode. Dial the carrier or engineering code accurately or navigate Settings, Network and Internet SIM, then Advanced or Preferred Network Type. Choose NR or 5G only. This isolates the radio to 5G new radio versus fallback modes. Make sure to accept any confirmation prompts. The phone may recommend a reboot. If your model uses a hidden engineering menu, follow the exact steps for that model, because options and labels differ by manufacturer. Finish by rebooting and verifying the 5G icon appears and that data speeds reflect 5G performance. Run a speed test to confirm throughput. If you don't see 5G, make sure the APN matches Geo settings and that your SIM is provisioned for 5G. Sometimes carrier activation is needed. Try toggling airplane mode on then off. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, contact Geo support before a factory reset. If reset is required, restore your backup afterwards to recover settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.